Okay, so this video is going to show you how to join our science Amplify class. Alright, so where I was, by the way, is under classwork, learning resources, down under learning websites. We've been here before. Before you click on it, on this link, what I'd like you to do is to copy our class code. And this is, if you don't see it on yours and you select learning websites, you need to click view material and then it will show up right there. Again, make sure you're not putting an extra space, like you got to be right on the T. Okay, so once you do that, then I want you to click log in with Google. Let me just choose the student account. Okay, so you're gonna see this screen and that seems confusing, but what you can do, so it says, before we get you set up with your account, tell us a little bit more about yourself. Click take me to sign up, and if you select student and then it says join your class, this is where you need to log in using the class code. So hopefully you copied it and you would just paste it right there. Instead of filling all this information out, click sign up with Google. Again, you're going to have to find your name and then click sign up. Join this class. And then now you are in my class. So this is our home screen, and I'll teach you more about like the simulations, I believe, are down here. See these? We'll be using those. So I need you to get logged in and join our class. You can watch this video